What's up, everyone? Dr. Tan sitting here with your daily body armor tank, and welcome to today's video. Now, today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna improve your squat. Right? A lot of you guys feel super gummed up through the inner parts of the thighs, feel that pinching through the front of the hip. Okay, maybe that's just because your adductors are so locked up that you actually can't get to the position in the bottom of that squat like you really need to. Today, grab a bench or a box. Either one of those works. The bench tends to be a little bit more padded, might feel a little bit better on the knee. But you're gonna come here, all right? I want your foot on the outer portion of the bench, and you're just gonna lean towards that other leg. As you're gonna feel a huge stretch through the inner part of that thigh. Come down, hold for a few seconds. Then come back up. Then come on back down. Really getting a huge stretch right through the front of that head. Come on back out. Work in and out of that for 1 to 2 minutes. Retest that squat. See how much better you feel. When you fix your hip pain, you're going to be able to squat better. You're going to be able to perform better. You're going to be happier in the gym, happier as you move through life. And you're going to hit a lot more PRs. So take 1 to 2 minutes, get to work, and I'll see you next time on the Daily Body Armor with Cary.